My name is Rea. I come from Croatia. I'm a social worker and I work for Diakonish's work on the Department of Integration and Migration. When did I came to live in Germany? It was somewhat 2 years ago. I think, no, it was actually on the May 27th, 2016, around 3 o'clock p.m. I was living at the time in Zagreb. I just finished my studies, university, and a friend of mine saw the job on the internet. He sent me the photo, and I was like, it's a good job. It took me a while to understand that the job is really in Germany. I didn't know the fact at the time when I saw the advert. The main challenges when I came to Germany, the language, of course. I didn't speak German at the time, or I spoke very poor German. And the fact that I was alone. I didn't knew anyone here, so I just came alone with my 2 suitcases, and all of my whole life was in there. I think German courses were very important because I had to do a lot of writing. I mean, when you talk, you can pretend you know how to say something, but when you write, you really need to know the rules. And it helped me a lot to learn how do German communicate. And also, we had to write our half-year reports, so my teachers would help me. I would just send them per email, and they would then correct me and say what I need to do better and what I did wrong and so on. Sometimes I feel that the Germans judge us, or our knowledge and our expertise, just based on the fact that we do not come from Germany, or that we were not schooled here. It's hard for me. I work here as an expert, and when I worked, I needed to say something smart, but I'm saying it grammarly wrong. I mean, I can understand that people don't take me so serious. I cannot imagine staying in Germany for my whole life, no. I mean, but you never know what happens. If I build a life here, I doubt it, but maybe it happens. I feel that my work skills are even more appreciated here than in Croatia. I think a lot of people from Croatia feel that way. That's why they're migrating so much. I've noticed that Germans pay everything separately, like they're in a bar, in a restaurant, or even in the shop. I find that very peculiar.